Hello everyone, welcome to our Java programming series. In this video, we'll start by exploring the history and evolution of Java, followed by an explanation of the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, and its role in achieving platform independence. Finally, we'll guide you through setting up the Java development environment. Let's get started. History and evolution. Java was developed by James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems in the mid-1990s. It was originally designed for interactive television, but it quickly gained popularity for its portability and versatility. Java was released to the public in 1995, and since then, it has undergone various updates and enhancements. Over the years, Java has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It has found applications in web development, mobile app development, especially for Android, enterprise systems, and more. Java's success can be attributed to its robustness, security, and scalability. Java Virtual Machine, JVM, and platform independence. One of the key features that sets Java apart is its platform independence. Java achieves this through the use of the Java Virtual Machine, JVM. The JVM acts as an interpreter executing Java bytecode, which is generated by compiling Java source code. When you write Java code and compile it, it doesn't directly get translated into machine code that your computer can understand. Instead, it gets compiled into bytecode, which is a platform-neutral representation of the code. This bytecode can then be executed on any system that has a JVM installed. This platform independence allows Java programs to run on different operating systems, such as Windows, macOS, Linux, and others, without the need for recompilation. This write once, run anywhere capability is a significant advantage of Java. Setting up the Java development environment. Now, let's go through the process of setting up your Java development environment. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download JDK, Java Development Kit. Visit the Oracle website, www.oracle.com, or OpenJDK website, openjdk.java.net, to download the JDK. Choose the appropriate version for your operating system, Windows, macOS, or Linux. Download the installer and run it. Step 2. Install JDK. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the JDK. Select a suitable installation location on your system. Step 3. Set up environment variables. After installation, you need to set up the environment variables to access the Java development tools from the command line. On Windows, go to the Control Panel, search for Environment Variables, and click on Edit the System Environment Variables. Then, add the JDK's bin directory to the path variable. On macOS and Linux, you can set the environment variables in the terminal by modifying the shell configuration file, example.bash_profile or .bashrc. Step 4. Verify the installation. Open a command prompt or terminal window. Type Java version and press Enter. You should see the Java version information, confirming that the JDK is installed correctly. Conclusion. And that's it. You now have a brief understanding of the history and evolution of Java, the role of the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, in achieving platform independence, and how to set up the Java development environment. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Java syntax and structure. Stay tuned.